And of those companies who have really embraced it, and I'm not talking building out their own tool, I'm talking about embracing AI as part of what they are. Think like Shopify, the whole,
Sure.
like
Enabled,
what you
right?
said, right? 78% of them are adding headcount.
Oh, interesting.
And it's because now they're saying, okay, wait, now we can really get into like that. We want to add a headcount because now it's more efficient.
Sure.
Now that the headcount that we do have,
Is
it
we're
can be
putting,
so much more effective. So now let's ramp up, because now you're ramping up, instead of, yes, you're adding, let's say you're adding 10 head count, right? But that head count is able to do each one 6 times what one did before. So now instead of just adding 10, you're really adding like 60,
60.
what used to be. So why wouldn't you increase head count?
Yeah. It's like, and oftentimes, like, we found that when we made like one of our first kind of sales tools, I mean, this was almost before the agent, but the virtual assistant type of thing. And we did the math where we're going, the best salespeople ask the most questions. Why does that work? Because they actually figured out, how do I adapt my communication to the audience, right? Like, they figured out the pitch before they pitched.